you guys need building, putting it in the everyone chat. We're just going to be reviewing yesterday's, and then after this we're taking the pretest to see how much you guys learned. Alright. What keyword defines a function in Python? It's pretty easy, guys. I'll give you a hint. It's not this. Hey, okay. Alright. Define, okay, you guys just spelled out the whole word. No, in Python it's just def. Oh, that's a pretty good reaction. All right, what is this going to print? Hey, everyone got this right. What does the return keyword do? Those of you that have just joined, that's the Grand Kahoot. Sends a value back from the function. It does not repeats the function. It does not run a loop. It returns something. So returning something means it's sending a value back from the function. Wow. Okay, how many times is this loop going to run? Times. We got for I in range 4. We're printing I. So 4 times. It should run 4 times. Not 3, not 5, 4. Okay. Okay. Last question. Fill in the blank to return a value from this function. What word is supposed to go here? I feel like everyone should get this one right. I think everyone should get this right. Okay. Oh. Just return, guys. We said this for like there was 2 questions ago. You good? Okay. It's not print, because printing doesn't return anything. Right? Result isn't even a word. It's return. On the bright side, no one hit send. That's a good thing. Okay. Alright, so in third place we have Ogo. Second place we have Ionch. And in first place we have... Alright. And the runners-up are supposedly me and Arya. Okay. So that's the day 4 Kahoot. Give me a second, and you guys will play the free test now. So now we're gonna see how much you guys learned from the start. We all gonna get 100 on the pretest? Yeah? No? Why no, Adrit? Okay. Let me just download that. Alright. Okay. Um, okay. There we go. Alright, there's the link. Join up, and give me a second to share my screen. So we should have one column. Are we waiting on someone, or is that everyone? Okay. I think that's everyone, right? Someone just joined. Good link. I'll be the first number, so. Starting. Okay. Come on, guys. We got this. Great 100s. What does this line of code do? Yes. Alright, off to a good start. Which of these is a valid variable name? Come on. Aw, man. Really? Two name? Come on, guys. I thought we said that we can't have numbers starting variables. It was a misclick, right? If you did that, you might have been trying to go too fast. All right, what symbol is used to make a comment in Python? Right. Yes, everyone got this one right. Okay, what type of value is this? Careful. It's in quotation marks. What does that mean? Ooh. Come on, guys. If it's in quotation marks, it's a string. If that weren't in quotation marks, it would be an integer. We'll knock some people off the top 5. What does the following function do in Python? Come on, guys. We've got to get 100 on this one. No. Outputs the text input. That would be if you just said print and then input. There is no thing like an input loop. So yeah, just asks the user for a value. Okay. Which of these compares two values? Compares, guys. Compares is the key word here. Okay. 3 equals isn't used in Python. That's used in other languages as more of a stricter comparison. It is 2 equal signs. 1 equal sign will set like a variable equal to a value or something equal to something else. When you're comparing 2 values, you have to use the 2 equals. So this is for like your if conditions or while conditions. Okay. Okay. What will the following code output? Everyone got this right. Okay. Basically everyone hit 7. I'm still surprised people hit 3 plus 4. Come on, guys, lock in. It wasn't in quotation marks, so that means it would print out 7. It would not print out 3 plus 4. What's wrong with this? A lot of us have we've seen something like that. A lot of us have seen this happen. So I'm sure all of us have gotten used to this error by now, right? We know what it is. Okay. On the bright side, no one hit nothing. That's a good thing. It's not missing a parentheses. There was a parentheses there. It wasn't missing a colon. It doesn't need a colon here because it's a print statement. It's not like it's starting out a while loop, a for loop, or an if condition or a function, or a class, so you don't need a colon at the end. So yeah, it's just missing a little quote at the end of hello, so that way Python will say that's the end of the string, and then we continue with the code. All right, so what keyword starts a conditional in Python? I hope we know this now. We use this a ton. It's not conditional, I'll tell you that. Okay, while is a kind of loop. It's not a conditional. Conditionals are like if statements. So like you're setting a condition for something. While loops do use conditions, but while is a loop. It's not a conditional. They use ifs, else, else ifs. Those are conditionals. Or in Python, it's elifs. Okay, still maintaining this top 5 for this question. All right, so what does else do in an if-else statement? doesn't start a loop. It doesn't run if the condition is true, because that's what's going to go under the if. Else is going to run if the condition is false. Okay, guys, why are we annotating? No annotating.
Oh, just what are you doing?
I swear to God. No annotating. All right. Okay. Which of these is a loop in Python? Which one is a loop? Come on, guys. You should know this by now. There's nothing confusing about this question. Right? It's not repeat, guys. Repeat is not a loop. Even though it might be a loop in Scratch, it's not a loop in Python. For is a loop in Python. Switch is a different kind of conditional. That's more complicated. Select isn't a thing. All right. How many times is this loop gonna run? We just had a question like this. I'll tell you this, the number is right in front of you. I didn't mean that as an option, but like, it's in the picture, I'll tell you that. One person hit 2. I'm gonna trust that you like barely missed the green. I'm gonna guess that you were trying to go really fast and then you hit the green box by mistake. Which line defines a function? Come on, guys. You guys got this. Okay. Again, I'm just gonna hope that that was a misclick, right? That was a misclick, we're all good? Okay. We all know that we define a function by saying def, not create. All right, what does this function return? Okay. So it does not return x plus y, it will return the number you get when adding x plus y. Because x plus y would have to be in quotes if the function were just to return x plus y. Okay, last one for double points. What happens if a function doesn't have a return statement? I feel like this should be fairly obvious. I'll tell you this, it doesn't crash. Oh, come on, I told you it doesn't crash. Who hit it crashes? Okay. Maybe I said it too late for you. Okay, yeah, if a function doesn't have a return statement, it's not that it automatically returns 0, it'll just return nothing. It'll just do what's inside and not return anything for you. Okay, let's see who our top scorers were. Third place we have Saxena. Second place Remain. And in first place we have Agreed. Yo, Agreed, you're the one that said you wouldn't get 100. Well. And runners up we have Mahanti and Anika. Alright. Okay. Cool. Alright. Maybe we had 80% accuracy overall. That's good. Alright. Okay, so for today, you guys are going to be wrapping up with a little final project. Alright.
Ma.
So if you guys head over to Google Classroom, you guys can, you know, open it up, right? I think it's the last day. Everyone's figured out how to open it up by now, right? I trust that we can get it open. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up when you got it open. All right. Okay, we got yes, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Lots of thumbs up. For those of you that have your cameras off, I don't see thumbs ups here on this side. That's why. Just waiting. All right, you got like straight thumbs up. All right, let me do it the other way. Raise your hand like in Zoom if you don't have it open yet. Nobody? Yay, we got it open. All right, everyone got it open first try. Cool. Okay, so if you guys haven't seen already, you guys are gonna be making like a little virtual pet game with everything you learned. All right. So in the comments, I kind of told you out. I kind of typed out what you have to do for each step. This one might look like an essay. Just you guys can try and implement your game loop here. This is where you're going to implement the game loop. And then, yeah, I kind of gave you instructions one by one how to do things. So, like here, you can ask the user to name their pet and pick its type, store the pet's name and type into variables, set the pet's hunger and happiness to 5. Um, you can print a message that introduces the pet to the user. You can print the pet's hunger and happiness, and yeah, that's kind of the start. Then you can create a feed function that will let the person feed the pet, and then create a play function that will let the pet get happier. Then, so the pet will then for your game loop, you have to make it so that the pet gets hungry and bored over time. And over a set of days, the pet will just naturally get hungrier and less happy. And then the player can feed the pet or play with it. So the game will end when the pet's hunger reaches 10 or the happiness reaches 0. And so what you want to do is you want to build the functionality for the game loop within a for loop. So within that for loop, you'll ask the user what it wants to do. If the user feeds the pet, then decrease the pet's hunger by 1. If the user plays with the pet, increase the happiness by 1. And if the user decides to skip, the pet would just get hungrier and less happy. So then after that, you'll just print the pet's current hunger and happiness, print the pet's name and mood. So then at the end, when the game's over, you can print the final stats. And then if the pet's hunger is less than 5 and the happiness is greater than 5, you can print a message saying that the pet had a great time. And otherwise, you can print a message saying that the pet wishes the player had spent more time with it. And that's kind of basically it. And if you want to, later on, you can add more actions like giving it a bath, taking it for a nap, letting it take a nap, teaching it some tricks, and then replacing the game loop with a while loop instead of a for loop, and then maybe saving the pet's name and stats to a file if you want to get into like an advanced library. We good? Does it seem hard? Does it seem hard? It's okay. You guys can do it. You'll use everything you learned within the past 2 days. It's nothing too complicated. All you have to do is just think out how you want to do these things. I kind of gave you the steps you can take in order. All you have to do is write the code for them. And it may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but you guys got this. If you have any questions, ask. I will help you out. I think I also made mine. I think I did mine before. I think I did mine last weekend. I made my pet game. It turned out okay. But yeah, I'm sure you guys got this. So if you have any questions, just raise your hand and ask. Don't ask like within the first 5 minutes. Try and figure things out on try and figure out as much as you can on your own first. Then you guys can ask for help afterward. All right, cool. Oh yeah, by the way, you can try and make the game over the span of a week, just so that way the game has an actual like finite end to it. Don't make it like forever. So you can go for like for each for your for loop for the game loop, you can go like for each day in like a range of 7 days. So that way you'll run through the game loop 7 times, so you won't be playing forever. Still 2 minutes left, Ojas, before I'm opening up for questions. Try your best.
It's
See how
not
far you can
about
get.
it's not about that.
Oh, okay.
What happens if you don't finish it today? Like, will the Google Classroom still be open so that we can turn it in anytime we're done?
Yeah, sure. I'll keep it open. I mean, I can always just drop comments on it later. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure maybe some of you will not finish this today, so you can
Yeah.
work on it over time. I'll
Okay.
probably leave the Google Classroom open for like the next 2 weeks.
Mhm.
Yeah, Levi? Okay, well, that's the end of the timer. I am now opening it up for questions. Go ahead, Levi.
So basically, whenever, so it says like invalid syntax for this when I try to run this code.
Okay, so, oh God. Okay, so don't mess with the feed function. You only have to write stuff inside of it. You don't have to write that. So
Oh,
go back to what it was earlier, because earlier it was just regular feed and then an empty parentheses. You don't have to pass anything in there. You just take out the stuff from the parentheses. You don't have to put anything in there. Take out the hunger -1 from the parentheses.
so no parentheses.
So keep the parentheses, but you don't want the hunger on the inside of it. You see how you have this hunger -1 here? Get rid of it. Get rid of the -1 too, so that shouldn't be in there. It should just be nothing inside the parentheses. All right, and then same thing here. Get rid of what you put inside here. So you're going to do that within the function, right? I created this variable for you. I used a keyword called global, which makes it so that way this variable can be used in your game loop as well. So now underneath here, so in where you have your code here, you can start writing the function that will decrease the pet's hunger. So you know how you did hunger -1 inside here? Instead of doing it in the parentheses, you can do it down here where I put the arrow. You see? Like, so go to the next line, hit enter. All right, you can do it there too. Yeah, so go ahead and you can type it out there saying,
Um,
oh, you need to indent over one. So hit the tab key so you can go back. Again, hit the, yeah, there you go.
right.
You don't need to define a function, just do, because I defined it for you. So now all you got to do is do that same thing you did there, hunger -1. So you got to set hunger equal to hunger -1.
Hi, thank you.
No problem. And it's the same thing for happiness, but you're going to increase it. So hunger +1. All right.
Mhm.
Okay, let's see. Lower your hand. All right, Ionch, you had something?
Oh yeah. I'm confused of yeah, what's the code to make the hunger and happiness deplete over time?
So you're gonna do that in your game loop, right? So you're gonna have something like a for loop, right? You're gonna have like a for loop kind of thing, and then you're gonna just go through, and then it's just gonna repeat over a set of days. And then you can print the hunger and happiness, and then just keep asking it what the person wants to do. You want to feed them, play, or skip, and then yeah. So it'll kind of look, mine kind of look like this. You have hunger and then happiness. So I fed it, played with it, fed it more, played with it more. So it kind of just keeps holding like that. Yeah, Nilla.
So Badger. What do you mean set the pet's hunger and happiness level?
Let me see. I can't read that. Okay, uh, so now just create two variables called hunger and happiness and just set them equal to 5.
Oh, okay.
That's basically it. Okay, yeah, Ojus.
So in step one, so do you just like print the pet's hunger and happiness levels? What does that mean? Like, do you have to print your your new pet has a hunger level of 5 and happiness level of 5 or what?
Yeah, so you just say their hunger is the hunger variable and their happiness is the happiness variable. Because you
Oh,
created two variables saying hunger and happiness and you set those to
oh,
5.
so you need to make two new variables for that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Because I think I said create two variables, hunger and happiness, set them equal to 5. Okay, yeah, Ion? Ion?
Um, one second, I'm coming to Zoom. So I don't know, but I don't know how to get like it to start working.
It's not going to work until you finish everything, that's the thing. So you have to finish your, nothing is going to work until you finish your game loop.
Okay, but I don't know what the next thing I'm supposed to do.
So what have you done so far?
Uh, Let me share my screen.
Yeah.
So that
Okay, oh no, oh no. All right, so you just recreated that by accident. Okay, you made a new code cell. All right, so, okay. So I see how you have, all right, so I guess since you made that one, you can, okay, uh, go ahead and, delete this code cell then. Do you know how to delete a code cell? Kind of click into it first,
yeah, I can.
and then go ahead and hit that trash can over there, because it looks like you made a new code cell underneath it.
Like
See
the
over here,
hunger
there's a trash
global.
can right here. You see where I annotated on the right side of your screen? Because you already made the functions here. It looks like you remade them, right, by accident. So go ahead
Yeah.
and just hit the trash can here on this cell. Just follow the arrow over here. See that trash can over there? You can just hit that
Um, where's the trash can?
right up here. Oh, it was right here, right here, right here, right here. Do you see the arrow that I just pointed to on your screen? Can you see what I'm drawing on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so right here, there's a
This
trash
is
can.
empty cell.
Not there, not there. There's a trash can right here. Right here. On the right side of your screen, like all the way to the right. Go all the way to the right side.
Okay.
To the right. You see where my I like scribbled all over your screen here? Like right here, there's a trash can. Right here. This thing, this trash can. I've never glorified a trash can this much.
This?
Yep. Right here. Oh, there's a gigantic green arrow pointing to it now too. You see
Let me
the,
look.
oh god, no, it's gone. Okay, here, go ahead and, here, let me do it for you. Go ahead and hit the accept button. I'll just do it for you. All right, here. Right over here, there's a trash can. Wanted to hit that one. Why can't I hit that? Hello? Okay, hit the trash can now. It's not letting me click it. Why can't I click it? Okay, this is gonna be weird. All right, you know what I'll just do? Here, copy that. Uh, what is it doing there now? Oh, I see, it's a Windows, that's right. What is going on? Huh? All right, here we go. It seems to be lagging a lot. Oh God.
Where did my whole thing go?
Where did your screen is frozen now. I don't see anything. Fun. Oh God. Interesting. Why is it not?
I brought it back.
Oh, there we go. Okay, so can you go up and hit the trash can on the, click into there. Yeah, right there. Right here, just click over here. No, not there, not there, not there, not there, not there, not there. You want to click into this one. Click into this cell. Into this cell. Don't hit that one, don't hit that one, don't hit that one. Do not hit that one. Do not hit that one. Do not hit that. Why are you pointing him in the wrong direction? Do not hit that one. Do not hit that one. Click here. Click into this one. Click anywhere into this black box. Just click anywhere in here.
Okay.
Okay. You see this trash can over here? Click this one.
The top?
Yep. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, that took way longer than we thought. All right. Okay, cool. Now you have your feed and play functions. Okay. There we go. All right. You're good now. Okay, so you can go ahead and stop sharing. I'll lower your hand. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Is your name
Me?
Bill? I feel like your name's not Bill, but
My name isn't Bill. That's my dad.
okay, got it.
I'm Athena.
Okay, Athena, go ahead.
So I guess I'll just share my screen to show you what is happening. Um,
Yeah.
so ah, 1 second.
Whoa, okay.
So the thing that happens is after if you try to run the code again, it'll start with the same hunger and happiness levels that were with the last game, which I'm pretty sure is not supposed to do.
It's supposed to do that, right? You're supposed to hold on to the hunger and happiness levels. It doesn't change. Unless you go to the top cell and then create a new pet, then it won't do anything. So
Oh,
far,
okay.
your game loop is looking correct. Yeah. Your game
Okay,
loop looks
never
right
mind
for
then.
now.
Well, it doesn't really ask you for another pet name.
Well, if you go to the top cell and run it right, it'll let you do that. So you want to, oh God, your
Oh,
hunger
right.
happiness is negative. Okay. So first of all, you want to make your feed and, so you can run this one and it'll create a new pet and let you restart. That's why.
Okay. I'll stop screen sharing 1 second.
Okay. All right. Ayanch, go ahead then.
I need help with my for loop and my happiness uh loop. Can
Okay.
I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
The whole thing got deleted.
Oh no.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, I see. You're missing a comma after pet name.
So I put a
Yeah,
comma
put
here.
a comma. Put a comma there and a comma there. Not a colon, a
Yeah.
comma. Not a colon, a comma. Like the little, you know,
Oh,
the one that's right next to your N.
confuses too.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
All right.
Okay, so that just creates your functions. Now you have to actually go and call them in your game loop.
Okay.
Okay, cool. All right, yeah, Noah.
Um, what does it mean when the type error says string is not callable?
Can I take a look at what you're doing? All right, let me. Okay, back it a bit. Okay, Oh, I see. So after pet name, go ahead and put a comma, and then take the parentheses around I'm your. Yeah, go ahead and take out the parentheses around I'm your, and then around pet type. Get rid of that one and the extra one next to pet type. Go ahead and get rid of. Yeah, that should do it.
Here?
All right. You're welcome. Okay, Ion, can you show me what you meant by your thing got deleted?
Okay. I went to the. Wait a minute. No, it's here. It's here. Found it.
Oh, you got it back. You got it back? Okay, cool. All right then, you're good. Okay, yeah, Ojas.
My my thing, on step two, when I put like under global hunger, I put hunger minus equals to 1. Print your pet's hunger level is hunger. And the same thing with happiness, but it's not working. It's not printing.
Wait, repeat that again?
Should I just share my screen or
Yeah. Wait, your hunger level isn't, how do you not get that?
this part? Because I put this and then print, but it's not, nothing is printing.
What, when you're running this function here, when you're pressing
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
Yeah, so that nothing is gonna run now because those are just, you're just defining your functions now. Now that you've created them, you actually have to go and use them in
In
this game
game
loop
loop?
here. You have to use them in the
Oh.
game loop. So now you just created them so you can use them later here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
All right. So
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
so you know how you have this feed, these two statements, feed,
Uh-huh.
and if they play with the pet. So
Uh-huh.
that's where you're going to use this function and this function.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Cool. Yeah, Nila?
Is this right?
No.
Okay, so no, don't put anything inside the parentheses of your functions. Those functions don't take in any parameters. So don't put anything inside the parentheses. Just write what you need to do to subtract the hunger or add the happiness inside the function.
Do you want me to make a new function?
No, don't make a function. You can use the existing function because I created those two global variables for you. So that way, so you don't have to take in a parameter.
Oh.
So basically, that keyword global, what it does is it'll let you use those hunger and happiness variables from outside the function inside the function.
Okay.
So now you can actually just do math with those.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Ojas, you're first on my screen. I'm just gonna go with you.
So I don't really get how to make step 3.
I'll have to make step 3. Okay,
Yeah, for the
so
game loop.
you can just have like a for loop that will run for like a day and in like over a span of maybe, I don't know. I made my game loop run over a span of 5 days
Mm-hmm.
like this, right? So mine's is just over 5 days, so you can see day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5.
Mm-hmm.
And so what I'm just doing is I'm printing out the day, hunger, happiness. What do they want? What do they want to do? So I say feed, or play. I didn't really skip. And then if the action was to feed, I call our feed function from up here. If it's to play, I'll call the play function. Otherwise, I just say they did nothing, and then I add one to the hunger, and then
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
subtract one from the happiness.
Uh-huh.
So that's
Okay.
basically it.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, yeah, Ayanch.
I have a really quick question. So like, I've typed in pet name. Can I share my screen real quick?
Yeah.
So I've typed in pet name, but if I wanted to do like pet names, like the
Okay, so
name's hunger level is you,
all
you
right.
get my point.
So
So
you'd want to do a plus and then put in quotes. So next to that, do plus and then do quotes, and then you can do the apostrophe s. So you have to do double quotes because you're gonna have a single quote on the inside. So then just do a single
like
quote
that.
s. Yeah, and then do an s. So like pet names hunger level is hunger, and then you can do the same thing for the happiness level.
Okay, I'm gonna try it down here. See if it works.
I think you did. You might have done it for the other function. You might have done it for the feed function instead.
I did it for the play function. I did
Oh, that's
pick
weird.
play.
Oh, right, because you have to hit the play button on that function, so it recreates that function. So hit the play button
Oh,
up
okay.
here, yeah, and now hit it. Now hit it down there for your game loop. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Thanks.
No problem. Yeah, Aiden. Aiden, I can't hear you.
I don't get this. I'm trying. I don't get how to use the feed function.
I cannot hear you at all. Wait, can you speak again?
I don't get the feed. I don't get the feed function.
Okay,
Okay,
calm down. I'll change your diaper.
so the way you feed is that way you'll feed by just decreasing the hunger. So yeah, you're doing the right thing. So here you don't call the feed function. So you have this right here. That's the right thing. But now just get rid of these two lines. You don't need them here because that's what you're going to be using in the game loop down there.
Okay. Whatever I'm clicking is getting highlighted.
What do you mean by whatever you're clicking is getting highlighted?
Like, I mean, like when you were fixing my thing, after that, everything when I was clicking, it was getting highlighted, the whole thing.
You might want to like just hit the escape key once and then click on the text box again. See, like there's an escape key in the top left corner of your keyboard. Just click that and then try clicking on it again. That should fix it.
I'm escaping. Escape. Or maybe I think I should refresh my page.
You could, yeah.
Did it work? Nope. Should I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Where is it? There. Here.
Okay, so go ahead and just click on the box,
What box?
on the like code box with the code inside it. Just click on it. Click on it, like again. Hit the escape key. Like on the top left, hit the escape key.
On the
No,
top.
like on your keyboard. On your keyboard, there's an escape key
Yeah. I
in the
pressed
top
it.
left corner.
I pressed it, but nothing's happening.
Nothing is happening. That's weird. Can you hit the down arrow key on your keyboard? That didn't do anything. What is going on?
It just made it go away.
Go ahead and try and refresh. Refresh your page. This is
I
weird. I've
did.
never seen that happen. Okay. That's weird. Can you go ahead and, all right.
Maybe you should exit the tab.
I'm thinking refresh the page, but he said that didn't work for him. That's why.
I'm thinking like exit the tab and then come back in. Like,
Yeah, close it out. Close out your tab and then reopen it.
yeah, might work.
So
Yeah.
I'll close it. And now I'm gonna open it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then it's still.
You didn't
Right.
close. You gotta hit this close button here. Here.
Right.
What's
Go
I
ahead
know
and
it's
hit that.
I know it's up, but
Close it.
I know it's up, but something is on the top that is making, since I'm in the meeting, something's on the top that I cannot, like,
Drag it. Hold up. There should be like a bar you can take and then drag it out of the way. Like a green bar that says like, take that green bar and just drag it out.
that green one.
I
Oh,
can't see the green one, but just if there's a
got
green
it.
bar at the top, just drag it out of the way. Now you should be able to close it.
Done.
Yeah, and go ahead and reopen it now.
Might
Open
work.
with open in Google Cloud. Just go ahead and hit this button
Now
right here.
I'm
Go ahead
gonna
and
go
hit the
up
button right there. This button.
and then download.
You don't have to download again. Go ahead and hit this button, the open button. You got it right here. Or
I
I
don't
guess
have
no.
it right there.
Reopen. All right.
Everything's frozen on my screen.
Yeah, it just froze now. I can't even erase the drawings I made. Oh God.
Nope. It's a bit glitchy today.
Ion, can you go ahead and click into the Chrome window? Click into your browser window. Because otherwise it's going to stay frozen for me. Go ahead and click into the browser window.
What browser window?
Like you see where you have like the no preview available window. The thing that says no preview available, can you click on that box, like that gray box?
That one?
I don't know what that one is because I can't see what you're looking at.
It's
But
like, it says tab groups.
oh no, like just on this, like in the middle of the page. Do you see like on the website you have like your no preview available text?
Yes, I got it in the middle.
Can you just click in the middle
Yes,
where it
I
says
did.
no preview available? Why is it frozen? Have you clicked the pause
Nobody.
share button by accident?
Um,
Hold on, I'm gonna stop your share and then go ahead and reshare. And when you hit the share button, hit desktop. Don't hit the window, hit desktop when you share this time.
which one?
So I stopped your share. When you hit share again, right? When you try to share your screen again, go ahead and hit the desktop button, not the other button. Just hit the desktop button. Okay, well now, all right, so go ahead and
Is it?
great, so can I even click on, okay, there we go. So now just go ahead and open. Oh, that's fun.
Great, it's frozen again.
It froze again. Yo,
Nope,
what's
it's
going
here.
on?
I can see it.
Okay, you can see it. All right, cool. That's what matters.
Nice.
If you can see it, that matters. All right.
What time is it?
Okay, guys, we're kind of like running way over time.
Oh,
Okay, so do y'all think you can do me a favor and everyone turn on their cameras just so I can get like a last picture of everyone?
yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
Can we have everyone turn their cameras on?
I think some people can't turn the camera on.
I think everyone physically can, right? Everyone should have a working camera.
Maybe.
Mila, you don't have a working camera? Uh-oh. All right, that's fine. We'll get as many as we can. All right. Okay. All right. Everyone smile for the camera. All right. Okay, well, y'all were a really fun class. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope y'all learned a lot.
Thank you.
You guys will be, I'll email out your certificates to your parents later. So thank you guys for coming. See y'all. And
Can
yeah,
I
as
do,
always,
how can you do more classes in Python?
um, maybe I'll teach another set the other soon. So yeah,
Are we gonna do the 3 to 3:45 thing today also, or?
I don't think I won't be able to do office hours today, sorry.
Oh, okay.
If you have any questions, just like post them in Google Classroom. Maybe I'll get back to them when I'm free. All
Yeah.
right. See y'all.
I thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, thank you.